Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to the Hey Mama K fam. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you don't miss out on a brand new video. So as promised, I have a house tour for you guys today. Let's just jump right into it. Right when you walk in the front door, this is what you see. I just have the stroller here because lately we've been going to the park a lot. So this is the front door. Hi, Mateo. Door to your right is the powder room. So just your basic powder room. Next door over, we have the closet. And let me just turn on the light quick. So this is an overview of the closet. Now we're moving across, and this is actually the garage. Then across from the garage door, we have the basement. Just run down really quickly. Stay there, please. So just a bunch of bins and boxes, and then stuffed animals over there. Next to the basement door, we have this cute little area where I have a bench just holding some of Mateo's mostly used shoes, his hat, Jalen's hat, my hat, and tote. What are you doing? That's what he does when he knows we're about to go somewhere. Yeah, but we're not going anywhere right now, okay? Across from the bench, we have the kitchen. This section of the kitchen, I like to call it our charging station, and I also like to keep Mateo's bottles there. In case you're wondering, I actually got these specific cabinet locks from Dollar Tree, so that was actually a very good find. These little rings, I forgot how many came in a pack, but I bought them off of Amazon, and they come in really handy because Mateo, of course, loves going through all the cabinets and all the drawers now. This is an overview of the kitchen from this standpoint, which is right beside our dining table. Look who's home! Chris came home with the goods. Chris actually chose the table, which I'm not a big fan of like massive tables, but whatever, he chose it. I chose the chairs, and this is the door to the backyard, which I won't really get into. From this standpoint, we have the living room slash family room, TV, our computer table, and then our couch with the foam mats because Mateo's always falling off the couch. To the left side, we have the master, and then we have the hallway to the right. This side we have our nightstand. We actually have to get rid of this one so we could purchase the matching one to this bed frame. We have my dresser and Chris's dresser. Door to the master washroom. Have a stand-up shower. As you walk out, we have the staircase over there, and then to the left is Jalen and Mateo's washroom. This actually just took a shower, so this is supposed to be in here. This is actually my favorite part because there's like a little hidden closet. Usually, you know, some houses they have like the linen closet on the outside or somewhere over here, but I love how it's, you know, inside the washroom. A very spacious closet there. Beside the washroom, we have
Jalen's room.
Jalen's room. To the right, we have her dresser. And if you guys remember this from my old videos, I decided to put it here on top of her dresser just to kind of spice it up, make it cute, and it actually matches her new bed frame.
That's my closet.
That's your closet.
And this is my table.
Your little table.
And
what's on top of your table?
That's my nightlight.
Your Hello Kitty light. I'm still trying to find like a good deal on like comforter sets for her bed. As you can see, I'm obsessed with like the stud detailing. Honestly, if they had a queen size frame for that style, I would purchase it in a heartbeat. So that's your room, huh?
This is my baby brother's room where this is details.
Okay, so as you walk in to the right, we have his closet and then his dresser. And in case you guys are wondering why he doesn't have, you know, his crib or like an actual bed, this is just the playpen for right now, and this used to be Jaylene's, of course, as you can tell from the flowers. We just don't want to take up too much space in this room. This is also kind of like our guest room. This slide just moves around everywhere, from his room to Jaylene's room, downstairs, even our room. Before we got Jaylene her big girl bed, actually, she used to sleep in like one of those toddler Paw Patrol beds, so Mateo is definitely going to use that maybe when he turns 2. That concludes the house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it and actually love the view from upstairs. You get to see everybody. If you enjoyed the house tour, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe as well if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos, and click that notification bell as well so you get notified for every brand new video that I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!